Scheduling a meeting used to involve a lot of emails back and forth to agree on a date and time, and then everyone had to add the event to their calendars manually. In this sponsored tutorial, we're going to look at a tool that automates the whole process. Calendly lets you schedule meetings online using a simple, streamlined approach, and then it automatically syncs with several different calendar programs. Interested? Keep watching to see how Calendly works and how you can use it to schedule meetings with a team or client. We're focusing on templates in this video, so I'll explain how to create a Calendly template and how to customize it. Click the link in the description below if you want to sign up for Calendly's free plan and follow along. Calendly templates are useful if you've got a meeting that you need to schedule often. You can create a template so that no matter who hosts the meeting, there will be a set template for the event. To begin setting up a Calendly template, start on your Calendly homepage. Next, choose one of the pre-made event types, 15-minute, 30-minute, or 60-minute meeting. Just click the gear icon in the corner of the event type box you want to use, and select Save to Template. The event type template page will open. You can customize the event options on this page just by clicking on them. Then click Save and Close to save your selections. You've just created a Calendly template. You can now click on Templates to see the new event template you created. Customizing your events allows you to be more organized in your scheduling. You can add information that'll allow your invitee to come to the meeting prepared with the information you want them to have. You can even give the invitee options to choose what location or time works best for them. To customize an existing event or template from the homepage, begin by choosing the event you want to customize. Select the gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select the Edit option. This takes you to the Edit Event Type page. From this page, you've got loads of customization options that allow you to define settings such as the event name, location, description, link, maximum invitees, and color code. What if you need to make changes to multiple events at once? You can do that with Calendly. Start by selecting the checkbox in the left corner of the event box that you want to edit. The Bulk Action toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. In the Bulk Action toolbar, you can delete event types and toggle event types on and off using the icons. Also, if the events are within the same Calendly team, you can bulk edit the team's availability. To select more than one event type at once, shift and click the checkbox for multiple events. Then make the changes you want using the Bulk Action toolbar. To deselect all selected events, press Escape. The Bulk Action toolbar is no longer visible. In this sponsored video, you've learned how to create and customize event templates and how to make bulk edits. If you want to use Calendly to streamline your meeting scheduling, just click the link in the description below to get started. Choose the free plan to start using Calendly right away.